Hello YouTube. Today I'm making a video of the new 2012 p.18 from Specialized. It hasn't come out yet. I am a field tester for them, and I'm just going to show you what the bike's like. So first we'll start from the top. I got the Specialized bars. They're, forget how wide, I think they're 18 inches wide. They're new grips that are really comfortable. The brake, it's cool, I like to use it. The new P series stem, it's green and black. Come down to the integrated headset. The forks, the green hub with the 18-inch wheels, some premium pegs. Down to the nice frame, p.18 sticker. When I got it, I asked for a different color than black. I got clear pedals. Got a 25 tooth sprocket with 3-piece cranks with a sealed bottom bracket. Down to the brake, not much to see. Another 18-inch wheel. Another premium peg, a back hub. The back hub is green, and it's another P-series, and a plastic combo seat. And I know I have it all the way down, but the seat post is actually green. So yeah, and another feature I like is how the stem is hollow. It's hollow in the front too. So yeah. Thanks for watching. It's pretty cool. I'll have some clips up soon. I'm actually trying to get a sponsorship. So, comment, subscribe. I don't know. I'm out. Peace.